How to fix Help Us confirm you own this account Instagram. Unlock your phone and find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. In the Settings, look for Apps or Application Management, depending on your phone. Tap on it. Inside Apps, find and select App List or something similar. It's where you can see all your installed apps. Scroll through the list until you see Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it to go to its settings. Inside Instagram settings, look for an option called Storage Usage or something similar. In Storage Usage, there should be an option to clear cache. Tap on it to remove temporary files. You might get a prompt asking if you're sure. Confirm and proceed with clearing the cache. Wait for a moment while your phone clears the Instagram cache. It might take a bit, depending on the size. After the cache is cleared, go back to the Instagram app and try the confirmation process again. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple steps, you should be able to resolve the Help Us confirm you own this account problem on Instagram. Remember, clearing the cache can often solve various app-related issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!